On CC.1, we did arithmetic sequences where you add or subtract the same number every single time to get to the next number. On a geometric sequence, we're either going to multiply or divide. And when I say divide, dividing is basically multiplying by a fraction. So on this, yes, we have a 4, a 40, a 400, and then a 40,000. So the next, the one in the middle, should be 4,000. But what if we didn't know that? So you would take the number find two numbers that are next to each other, find the number on the right, and divide it by the number on the left. So 10 is the number being multiplied every single time. Okay. Take the number on the right, divide by the number on the left. If you do that on the calculator, you can do it on the calculator, but if you're dividing fractions, when dividing fractions, don't be shy. Flip the second one and multiply, and those will cancel out, and we're left with 3. So basically, we are multiplying by 3 every single time. And if I do 3, if I'm multiplying this by 3, I'm multiplying it by 3 over 1. And multiplying fractions is no problem. Top times top and bottom times bottom. 81 over 341 would be the answer to that. What is the next fraction in this sequence? So take 285 and divide it by 2 over 255, which is the same thing as 2 over 85 times 255 over 2. Those will cancel, and 255 divided by 85 is 3. So we are multiplying by 3 every single time. So if I multiply this by 3, I'm multiplying it by 3 over 1, which gives me 54 over 85, and I'm doubting that will reduce. But you can put it in the calculator to check it out to see if you can. Okay. 1 over 2 divided by 2 over 3 equals 1 over 2 times 3 over 2 equals 3 over 4. So let me show you what's happening. If I take 2 over 3 and I multiply by 3 over 4, those will cancel out. I'm left with 2 over 4, which is 1/2. 1/2 and 1/2. If I take 1/2 and I multiply it by 3 over 4, I get 3 over 8. That doesn't reduce. 3 over 8. If I take 3 over half and I multiply by 3 over 4, I get 9 over 32, and that doesn't reduce. 9 over 32. So if I take that 9 over 32 and I multiply it by 3 over 4, I get 27 over 128. That does not reduce. That is your answer.